Hi, this is the INFINIX Note 30 Pro and I'll show you how to switch on or switch off the silent mode on this device. So to activate or turn off silent mode, we should open first the control panel, and here you'll find the ring icon. Just click twice on this icon and now ring switched to the mute 1, so this means that the silent mode is activated and now all of our ringtones and notifications, they will be muted. If you wanna unmute your device just to turn off the silent mode, you should click to this icon only once to switch it to the ring 1. So now this means that all of our ringtones and notifications, they will ring. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.